I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Mercedes CLA. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. There we go, we'll just have a look. And then click this forward, navigate to telephone, click telephone. You've got options and connect device there. It's picking up my camera here, but we want connect device, so I'll click on connect device. And then you've got search for phones or search via telephone. So we'll search for phones via the car. Then, even though you've told it once, you've now got to tell it again. It's found my iPhone, so click on that, select. It should show up here any second. There you go. Passkey 771817. Does it match? Yes, it does. Pair, and then select yes on there. Do I want my favourites? And well, no, I don't, because I won't be using the car again. But you probably will, so you'd click that, and that's it. That's it connected there.